All right, the selfie stick. Yay! It's one of those things that you think that you'll never use and then you do, which I know happened to me. Um, this is actually really cool. Put your phone up here and you tighten this up at whatever angle you want. Telescoping arm, and you use your Bluetooth to connect it to the stick. So what you do is you hold the stick out and then you press the button and it takes the picture for you. Really neat little device. You put this around your wrist, kind of like a Wiimote, so that way, drop it, it'll swing. The grip at the top is really nice. I put my phone in it and I didn't feel like it was going to fall out. I mean, yeah, if you shake it around, it's going to fall out. Let's just be honest. It's not like attached to it. But it folds up nice and small, so it's easy to travel with. And it charges with a USB cable. So that's really nice. So you can recharge it. You don't have to worry about batteries. And if you need to, it actually came with a little protector thing. What you do is you open it up. Ta-da-da, stick your phone in there. It protects it from the water, which is really neat. I mean, even if you don't use it with the selfie stick, it's a really good thing to have just in case. Because I know there have been a few times that would have come in handy. So, check it out. Let me know what you think. Questions, comments, profound thoughts. Oh, so sorry. Can't wait to hear them. Thanks much. Bye.